Hey YouTube fam, welcome to my channel LB Plans. My name is Elle and I like to create planner related videos and content. I like to post content to help inspire others to get creative in their day-to-day life and plans. If you like my content, would you please be so kind to like this video and consider subscribing? I am on the journey to 500 subscribers and I will be posting a giveaway very soon for a Wonderland222 planner. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are already subscribed, thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate and adore your support. So guys, this video was not supposed to be a voiceover, but somehow my audio was lost in translation. So we're just gonna work through it. I am using this journaling kit by Saucy Sticker Co. called Summer Story. I felt like this was the perfect kit for the transition from summer mindset. This is our last full week of summer before school starts. So this is like my ode to saying goodbye to summer. When I plan, I like to have a lot of white space. I feel that it allows your plans to like breathe and it gives them room to grow. If I have too much pre-planned, then I feel overwhelmed and I will possibly procrastinate and things won't get done. So I like to stick to the high level events and add a little deco for some flair. But for the most part, let the plans kind of breathe and let the day kind of come in as it feels, right? Since this is our last full week of summer, the beginning of this week will be very light and we will pick up by the weekend. I like to use the bottom half of my planner as a sidebar on the left page and the meal planner on the right side. So I found that I am more successful in meal planning if I just list meals that I can make, like I'm already prepared to make without a day attached to it. But I'm going to go ahead and put the days on it for this week. But it lets it just like allows me to have flexibility. You know, if I know that we have these things to prepared and ready to go, or we have everything we need to make these particular items, and I can just move them around as I need to. Sundays here are typically reserved for self care. That's for me to get mentally reset for the week. Um, I have to get my mind right to take on next week. So that's what I kind of use Sundays for. I don't try to plan a whole bunch of things on Sundays as that stands for now. And it is what it is. This weekend, however, I will be doing hair, possibly all weekend long. I need to braid my son's hair down for school, and I want to put my daughter's hair into some twists, which could take like a day or two because I'm slow, but I just can't pay $200 for a 10-year-old's hair to get done. So that's sidebar. Anyway, but this is all in preparation to getting ready for back to school. I also need to pick up some hygiene products for each of them. My son has very oily skin and my daughter has very dry skin, so I have to purchase different products for them. I've been laxed over the summer with keeping up with their skincare routines, and it shows. But I'm getting them together this week. They're going to get back on track. I typically record like a hygiene pack haul, but if you guys would like to see what I pick up for them and why, leave a comment below. I can create that video. I will be creating the hygiene backpacks for them. So in their little backpacks, I put certain items in there and I'm going to pick it all up from Target. So like I said, if you want to see that, let me know. But this is the gist of my video. I just love the foundation setup for this week. I feel that the page can breathe. Again, if you like my content and you made it to the end, please be so kind to hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Until next video, you guys stay safe and hydrated. If you have any comments for me below or questions, please drop them down. I will respond as soon as I'm able to. Again, you guys take care.